bunny, 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 bunny. Uh, uh. No, because these two are too close together, these two vowels. And so this vowel makes this vowel say its name. So this is Buny. Buny. Buny? Ah, now there's a nice bit of space between the two vowels. So now this vowel can go back to saying bunny. Bunny. Cool.